Hi guys, welcome to our channel, which is Shortcut Travelers, or I should say welcome back. If you have not clicked the subscribe button yet, please click the subscribe button. So after reaching at the hotel, it was time for our room tour, right? So let's see our room, how it was. Check out our last video. Actually stayed in Snow Valley Resort. Just when you enter the room, you find the bathroom to your left. It was big enough. So it had all the toiletries. You can see a hair dryer. Yes, this is our shower area. So you can take up the sheets and you can have a view and then you can take a bath. That's up to you. Totally up to you, right? So then after getting out from our room, this is our room, guys, with a mountain view. So our room had a cupboard to your left hand side again. These were all our luggages. So this is our cupboard. You can keep your luggages inside this also. You can keep your clothes also inside it. That's up to you, totally up to you. Since it was the COVID time, we actually didn't keep our clothes there. So this is a bed table just beside the bed, and you can see a TV and this space. This space, guys, oh my god, you guys, this place was my favorite in the entire room. So you can sit here and chill the entire day by just watching the beautiful view. It was that beautiful. So we were provided with a kettle, also some tea bags as well. So these are the toiletries given by the hotel. Their comb, their shower cap, their toothbrushes. This was the shower cap, and they also provided us with a shaving kit also. I don't know, I really didn't have any idea that they provide this also, a shaving kit also. Then they had all this body washes, face washes. This was the body lotion, and lastly this was the shampoo as well. Everything they had provided us with, and this was the shaving kit with a razor. We were struggling with opening the packet, and this was a shaving kit with a shaving gel as well. It's from the brand Basic Organic. So this is the shower cap that they had provided us with. Which we didn't use at all. Then this is the toothpaste that they have provided. Meswak, whatever you want to call it as. This is the comb, a normal comb. So So since we had reached in the hotel at the morning, we had freshened up and went to their own restaurant to have our lunch. So we had taken rice and some egg masala and paneer butter masala and some chutney by the side. The food was very yummy. The paneer butter masala was very yummy. So the people working there had offered us to sit outside and have our lunch as well. But then another employee said that the monkeys trouble a lot, so we should sit inside and have our lunch. So we had done that only. So there was a kids room also with all sorts of games there. Me and my husband were playing carom. Actually, our room was just opposite to the kids room, so we had spent a little bit time over there. So you can see that we were playing and having fun around. Actually, we had felt nice also that our room was just opposite to the kids room, so we were actually listening all the noises at the night also. They were crying, they were playing, they were having fun, so we had enjoyed that also. So after having fun, at this time, so we then had a plan to explore Mall Road a little bit. So we came out and asked a few people how to reach Mall Road. They said you will get buses which will drop you at old bus stand. Mind you guys, it's old bus stand. From there you can walk to the Mall Road. It will just take say 15 to 20 minutes to walk to the Mall Road. It will just take 10 rupees guys, just 10 rupees. If you go through a cab, it will take around 200 rupees. So I think this is much affordable, and the buses are empty most of the times. You will get seats also. So we had gone there and we were seeing the snow. It had piled up there, so it was amazing to watch. And this night view guys, I can't express my feeling. It was breathtaking, as if I was watching the stars but not on the sky. I wish I could stay there forever. So we had explored a little bit of Mall Road that evening. Since we didn't want to get frozen, we went back to the hotel early. These are some pictures from our phone. That's the Christ Church. Then we had taken bus again and reached our hotel. So in the next video we will see that what all we had explored in Shimla, what are our suggestions if you go to Shimla. Don't get fooled by the people out there guys, they always fool you around. So wait for our next video. Till then, you know the drill. Subscribe and hit the like button. Bye guys.